Supreme Court of India Jitendra Kumar Mishra alias Jittu vs. State of Madhya Pradesh decided on January 5, 2024 SCC, Online SC 20 facts of the case. On 8 June 2007 around 8:45 p.m. in the night, in front of Machu Hotel, which is located near Shukla Hotel, one Papu alias Rajendra Yadav had died. It is alleged that when he, along with his friends Virendra Verma and Amit Jha, was coming out of the Machu Hotel, he was beaten and assaulted by all the four accused with knife and other weapons such as sickle and Jitendra alias Amit Mishra, Jitendra Kumar Mishra at Jittu, Gledwin alias Banti Asai, and Ajay alias Ajaya were convicted to life imprisonment under Section 302 read with 34 IPC with a fine of Rs 5,000 by additional session judge. High Court dismissed the appeal. All of them had filed 2 appeals before Supreme Court. However, appellant, namely Manja at Amit Mishra, died during the pendency of the appeal. Findings of the court. The prosecution is based upon the dying declaration of the deceased. The said dying declaration is in oral form. It was made by the deceased to his brother Rajkumar Yadav and mother Usha Rani Yadav, who have reached the place of occurrence on being informed that the deceased was being beaten and assaulted by the accused persons near Machu Hotel. Mother of the deceased prosecution witness 5 also contains a similar dying declaration of the deceased Rahul Yadav. Prosecution witness 13 is a relative of the deceased Papu Yadav, and as such he is not a free and independent witness. The evidence on record, i.e. site map, cast a serious doubt as to whether the place of occurrence or the Machu Hotel was visible from the Shukla Hotel where the above witness was standing and from where is said to have seen the occurrence of the incident. Witness, prosecution witness 13, was not found at the place of occurrence by the brother and mother of the deceased. When they reached the place of occurrence immediately after the alleged incident had taken place or at the time when the deceased was lying on the road, even the deceased has not mentioned in his alleged dying declaration or the statement given to his brother and mother that someone tried to save him or that the above witness Rahul Yadav, prosecution witness 13, had come to his rescue but was made to run away. Additionally, even the FIR does not mention the presence of PGOV 13. All these factors cast a serious doubt as to presence of prosecution witness 13, and the conviction cannot be based on his testimony alone. 2 eyewitnesses to the incident, A. Virendra, prosecution witness 1, and Amit Jha, prosecution witness 12, were declared hostile. There is no specific material piece of evidence to establish that the deceased was alive or in a position to speak when his brother and mother reached the spot. In these circumstances, the dying declaration cannot be ex facie accepted to be correct unless it stands corroborated by any other cogent evidence. There is no material to corroborate the said dying declaration. The courts below ought to have extended the benefit of doubt to the appellant's appeals are allowed.